It's Storytime with Mike.
Hello friends, today's story is Thirsty Crow. Let's enjoy it. Once upon a time, there was a crow who was very thirsty. He was looking for water everywhere, but he could not find it. He wandered here and there in search of water, but he wasn't successful. So he sat on a tree to get some rest. That is when he saw a pot in the fields with water. He became very happy inside and flew directly to the pot. Ah, what a disappointment! The water level was very low. He could not reach the water. His happiness quickly turned to sadness. But you know what, darlings? Crow is a very intelligent bird. He quickly found a solution. He saw some stones lying nearby. He started throwing them in the pot. He kept throwing them one by one. Soon the water level started rising. It reached the top. The crow drank the water and satisfied his thirst. So, darlings, sometimes you can't find a solution right there. You have to use your wisdom. And once you use your wisdom, you will definitely find a solution like the crow did. See you next time.